In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to tell if someone paused their location on Life360. Let's get started. Life360 is a location sharing app that allows everyone in your circle to see each other's location at any time. For it to work correctly, each person must have location services turned on at all times, not just while using the app. If the app only has permission to use location while in use, it will stop sharing as soon as the app is closed. Now here's what you can tell if someone has paused or disabled their location. When a circle member logs out of the app, turns off their location services, loses GPS access, or shuts down the app completely, Life360 will show you one several alerts. Location GPS turned off, no network, or a similar message. These alerts indicate that the person is not currently sharing their real-time location. If someone wants to make sure the location is turned on, they need to open the Life360 app, tap the circle switcher at the top of the screen, select the circle they want to share with, go to settings, choose location sharing, and ensure that all the options are enabled. They must also give the app permission to use location at all times. And that's it. I hope now you guys are clear how to check if someone paused their location on Life360. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.